lash caps. These adjust the distance that you need to achieve the proper lash, which is the clearance between the finger follower and the camshaft. We needed 1/1000th extra clearance to set the correct valve lash for this McLaren engine. Let's go. Let's go, McLaren! Let's go! Right this way! It's a feeler gauge. They're so personal. Since they don't have any writing on them, it's important that you check them all the time before you put them back in position. Otherwise, you're gonna have a bucket of mismatched shims and you're gonna be wasting a whole lot of time. Sometimes if you don't have the provided lash cap, taking off 1 or 2/1000ths is acceptable. You hear that ping? That's the little purr you hear when the engine's running. Lubricant. I just need one. Just one. There it is. Valves hit. Hear this? And then springs.